In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import in Zoho CRM, the full 2025 guide. If you've been looking to streamline your customer management and move contact data efficiently, you're in the right place. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool that helps you manage your customer relationships effectively. Whether you're new to Zoho or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoho CRM. You can easily do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials if you're not already signed in. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your CRM account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the module list generally found on the left side of the interface. Here you'll find various options, but today we're focusing on contacts. Go ahead and click on contacts from the list. This is your dedicated space for managing existing contacts and adding new ones. This user-friendly section allows you to view and search through your contacts list with ease. Now that we're in the contacts module, the next step is to access the Create Contact dropdown. You can find this option towards the top right of your screen, typically marked as a button or tab. Clicking on this will reveal a few different tasks you can perform, including creating or importing contacts, but it's the latter we're interested in today. Within this dropdown, you should see an option labeled Import Contacts. Clicking this will initiate the contact import process. This is a crucial step as it allows you to bring in data from other sources, saving you the time and effort of manual entry. The Import Contacts feature will present you with several prompts, guiding you through selecting and uploading your contact data file. Ensure that your file is formatted correctly, typically in a CSV or Excel format, to ensure a seamless import process. Keep in mind, this not only saves time, but can significantly reduce the likelihood of errors. And there you have it. Once you've selected your file and followed the on-screen instructions, Zoho CRM will begin importing your contacts, integrating them into your system efficiently. Check back on your contacts module to ensure that the import was successful and that your contacts now appear in the list. So that's it for today's tutorial on how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. Remember, being organized and maintaining an up-to-date database is key to managing client relationships effectively. Learning these simple steps can greatly improve your efficiency in using Zoho CRM. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy CRMing.